Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax of Houston. I want to show you the new 2025 231 XSB by Scout. This is just an awesome bay boat, lake boat, light coastal boat. You can do a little bit of everything with it. This one's got a jack plate and a 300 horse Merc on the back. Got a nice bracket here for a power pole if you want it. I love the way Scout incorporates the ladders into the back of the boat. It's kind of unique to their design system. These guys are really very innovative about the way they design boats and good setup. We're going to go aboard and I want to show you some of the great features. All right, one of the features I like on this boat a lot is they've got this convertible casting deck on the back with a removable cushion, and we've got these nice removable backrests that are real easy to take in and out. It's actually a very comfortable seat, and then we've got baitwell on both sides here. Fully aerated, rounded corners. Got the blue gel inside. They're also lighted. Great setup back here. We've got good storage under here. I like that clear plexiglass lid they put there too, so you can see your pumps and the bilge. Boat's got a ton of rod holders on it. I like the pop-up cleats. We've got rod holders on the gunnels, rod holders on the deluxe leaning post, rocket launchers on the hardtop. Very nice hardtop, by the way, especially for a 23-footer. This boat's really good for shallow running, and but it takes the waves good too. It's got a good deep V toward the bow. They bridged in the electronics. Really nice setup the way they did this here. Beautiful boat, but very functional also. We've got raw water wash down, got fresh water wash down, a really nice head compartment. Look at all the room in there. Got lots of nice storage. Moving forward, another great feature that I really like on this boat is this big storage compartment here. I mean, you can really store a lot of gear in there, even scuba gear and things like that. Got a nice casting deck on the front. We've got more cushions here that are removable with storage underneath. And they also did these really nice quick release storage features that hold a lot better than the Velcro you'll see on a lot. Check out those heavy duty hinges they've got on here. Scout's really a well-made boat. Performs great. It's a fuel efficient boat. And you'll notice these drink holder, rod holder combinations here. Those are kind of nice too. And this boat comes with an extra shade that you can cover the bow with. This is just a must-see boat. You got to come check it out. It's a gorgeous boat, but very functional. Virtually anything you can do with it, lake, bay, light offshore. Come check it out. My name is Paul. I'll be glad to show you this boat and many of our other great offerings here at MarineMax in Seabrook, Texas.